guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's topic, I will show you how to set multi-pricing for your debtor account. For example, if you want to set price 2 as your debtor price level, you may go to AR, Debtor Maintenance, and select your debtor, then edit. Go to Others tab and change multi-pricing to price 2. You also can tick this option if you want to change your multi-pricing while doing your transaction. Click Save to proceed. Now, your debtor will follow your new price level. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorials and updates.